We're currently in Portland, Indiana, and we are here for a car show at Wings and Rings. Oh yeah. God dang it. Yeah, it'd be nice. Except for the wind is catching it. What? 1950s Corvette. Got our newer Charger. Yeah. Pontiac. Should be an old GTO if I'm right. I may be wrong. Old Firebird. This looks like something you'd see from GTA 5. '69 Mach 1 Mustang. You want to grab it? Just an old Ford pickup. Old Chevy Nova. 70s Corvette. Chevy. Two Chevys. 90s Camaro.
I'm gonna try to get all this wrapped up and we'll get it going. Thank you.
Kind of pinkish.
Buick Skylark. Dodge. Old Dodge Charger. We got one of the really old cars. There's an old Camaro SS from the 60s. Rat Rod. Couple Chevy Novas. Actually, yep. Firebird, Pontiac Firebird. Not really a big car show. It was worth coming over to look at. We got some more cars down here. Chevy Nova. Old Dodge Charger. Just a couple regular cars parked here. Ford 3-window.
It is. They have a sticker on it. Do they have motorcycles here too?
Yeah, it looks like it. Chevy Nova. There's a Chevy Impala. Chevy Impala. W bug. Here we got another Mustang. There's an old Chevy truck. Dodge Dart. It's one of the new Dodges. Another 50 Chevy. It's a Crown Victoria. Ford Roadie wagon. Chevy Impala. Ford Fairlane 500. Car. 1995 Ford Mustang Convertible. And that's my father-in-law. Is there anything special about the car to tell about? No.
No.
Okay, so we did have a good time at the car show, and this is something I think we might plan on doing more often, maybe going to different car shows and stuff like that. And there is like either the first or second world's biggest cruise in, and that's up in Michigan. I'm thinking about going up to that. So I'm not really for sure it's something that we're talking about, but I do plan on doing more car shows. I do like going to car shows, and this was the first car show that we actually recorded. So I'm thinking I know how to do a little bit better. What I need to do is I need to maybe talk to the people who own the cars, find out more about the cars and stuff like that. It's just this is the first thing we've done in a couple of weeks for the channel, and I kind of got out of rhythm with actually talking to the camera and talking while I was moving. And I do have another video coming out, and what it was, we recorded a lot of stuff over Memorial Day weekend, and I really didn't know that the car show took up that much, plus the next thing, which I will put out. I'm putting out a second video this week. This will be the first time since we brought this channel back that we've put in 2 videos out in 1 week. So what I'm gonna do is this will come out. It should come out Wednesday at 3 o'clock, like what our normal videos come out at. And then I'm gonna put out one on Thursday at 3 o'clock, and it is going to be on the World War Memorial Museum in Indianapolis. And we went there actually on Memorial Day, and it's free to go to. You can make a donation. We made a donation, and it was something that was neat to do on Memorial Day. So as for that, thanks for watching.